Shmai Bow. Today we're going to be looking at answering questions that's going to contain the skills we've looked at the past few weeks. I'm going to take you through one as an example, and then I'm going to give you your question I'd like you to have a go and upload to Seesaw. So 3 children share biscuits. There are 65 biscuits in total. We need to find out how many biscuits each child has. The clues I've given you is Dave has an amount that is a multiple of 5 and 3. Di has an amount that is a multiple of 10, 5, 4 and 2. And Donna has an amount that is a multiple of 10, 5 and 3. So I'm going to look at Dave. Now the biggest multiple in that sentence is 5. So I'm going to write my 5 times table till I get to 65. So these are all multiples of 5, but we know the amount he has is also a multiple of 3. Now to find out if a number is a multiple of 3, we add the sum of the digits together. So we need to remove the numbers that's not a multiple of 3 or not in our 3 times table. So once we go through our numbers and we get rid of all the numbers that we know are not in our 3 times table, we are left with 4 numbers. Now I'm going to move on to Di. Now the biggest multiple in his sentence is 10. So I'm going to write my 10 times table until I get to 60, because 70 is too big, so we know it's only 65 biscuits. But also the number amount that he has is a multiple of 5, 4 and 2. Well, we can see that all the numbers in Di's box is also multiples of 5. We can see that they're all even numbers, so they're all multiples of 2. So let's have a look at them to see which ones are not multiples of 4, not in the 4 times table. So once I've worked it out, I see I'm left with 3 numbers. Let's have a look at Donna. Again, you can see that her biggest number is 10. So I'm going to write the multiples of 10 up to the amount of biscuits that we have. We know that they're all multiples of 5. So now we need to work out which ones are not multiples of 3 to get rid of our numbers. So once we work them out, we can see we are left with 2. If you're still unsure of the rules of multiples, guys, and go back to the previous week's work and have a look on YouTube. So we are left with 4 different amounts for Dave, 3 for Di and 3 for Donna. We need to work out what 3 numbers add together to make 65, because we know the total of biscuits is 65. And they all need to be added together to make 65. So if we look at our numbers, we know that really 60 is too big. So we're going to get rid of 60. Straight away, we have 1 number left for Donna. So we know that Donna will have 30 biscuits. It's a multiple of 10, multiple of 5 and a multiple of 3. So if we know Donna has 30, how many biscuits are left to share between Dave and Di? So it's 65 take away 30, it's 35. So we know the sum of both numbers need to total 35. So we can get rid of any numbers that's bigger than 35. And again, straight away, we can see that Di has 20. So which number are we going to use from Dave? Which number, 15 or 30, add the 20, add Donna's 30 is going to equal 65. Well done, it's the 15. So well done, guys. Using your multiples, you have worked out who and has each biscuit. I'd like you to have a go at this question and upload it to Seesaw for your teacher to see. Don't forget, you can go back to our previous lessons if you're unsure of multiples. Good luck, guys.